The iPhone 5C volume and power button replacement guide brought to you by DirectFix. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. The recommended tools for this repair: a pentalobe screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup, and case opener tools can be purchased separately or in the IP2500 toolkit. Begin by completely powering off your device. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of your phone. Attach a suction cup to the bottom portion of your screen and lift up in order to remove the screen. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove these 4 screws. You can now disconnect the LCD touch panel and forward-facing camera from the motherboard. Remove 2 more screws, allowing you to disconnect the battery and charge port ribbon cable. Using your case opener tool, gently lift your battery out of the phone. Remove 2 screws near the top of the phone in order to release the rear-facing camera. Remove 3 more small screws near the top of the phone in order to remove the shield covering the secondary microphone. Remove these 2 small Phillips screws securing the motherboard. Use a mini standard flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 double-threaded Phillips screws that are securing the motherboard. With your case opener tool, carefully disconnect the charge port, cellular antenna cable, and volume and power button ribbon cable from the motherboard. With those screws removed and the ribbon cables disconnected, you can now lift up the motherboard. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna from the underside of the motherboard. Remove 2 small Phillips screws in order to remove the vibrator. Remove 3 small screws along the side of the frame of the phone in order to release the volume buttons and mute switch. Remove 2 more small Phillips screws at the power lock button. This allows you to completely remove the power button and volume button ribbon cable. After placing the brackets from your old ribbon cable onto your replacement ribbon cable, place the new ribbon cable into the phone. Secure the volume and mute switch with 3 small Phillips screws. And secure the power button with 2 small Phillips screws. Place the vibrator in the top left corner of the phone and secure with 2 screws. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna ribbon to the underside of the motherboard. Place the motherboard into the phone and secure with 2 small Phillips screws shown in the red circles. Now, using a flathead screwdriver, place 3 double-threaded Phillips screws in the red circles shown. Now place 1 small Phillips screw at the top of the phone in order to fully secure the motherboard. You can now connect your volume and power button ribbon cable, your charge port ribbon cable, as well as your cellular antenna cable to the motherboard. A small shield is placed over the rear-facing camera and secondary microphone and secured with 2 small Phillips screws. You can now install the battery. Once placing the battery and connecting to the motherboard, place a small shield that covers the battery connector as well as the charge port connector and is secured with 2 screws. You can now connect the screen assembly to the motherboard, which consists of 3 cables for the LCD touch panel, forward-facing camera and proximity sensor to the motherboard, and secure with a shield and 4 screws. Now press down the screen and close the phone. You can now install the SIM card as well as the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from DirectFix.